Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first you should launch the settings application, and after that scroll to this always on display and lock screen section. Then click here to the always on display, and to activate this feature you should click here only once on this feature. We can also here change the display items, the display the edit feature just always by shadow, so you can here set the start and the end time. Also you can turn it on in battery saver mode if you want, or also you can select here to activate AED for 10 seconds after tapping on the lock screen. I'll stay with the always, for example, and now just by when we lock the device we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe to our channel.